So you want to make a cranberry sauce, do you? Well, don't worry, I got you covered. We're not wasting any time. Let's head right over to the stove. So we're going to add in 12 ounces of fresh or frozen cranberries, 3/4 of a cup of sugar, a half cup of orange juice, a 1/4 cup of lemon juice, and a tablespoon of cinnamon. We're going to simmer this over medium heat until the cranberries start to pop. Really important to make sure you keep stirring to help that sauce thicken. And that's all there is to it. We just took this cranberry sauce off the stove, give it a little test. Woo! That's good cranberry sauce. And as it sits, it's just gonna thicken. Oh yeah. You can serve this as is, or you can put it in the fridge, cool down, and again, let it thicken even more. I'm gonna put some in this jar right here. This goes great on any kind of meat, especially wild game meat. Put it on some Wild Boar Sausage. It's gonna take it to the next level. It's awesome. That's beautiful. And there you have it, some delicious homemade cranberry sauce.